How much are you really making per hour as a reseller? Ever wonder if all the time spent thrifting, listing, and shipping is actually worth it? In this video, we're diving deep into the numbers to calculate exactly how much you're earning per hour. Spoiler alert, you might be surprised. Stay until the end because Resolutions gives you real solutions. Let's break this down step by step with a real life example. Right here is the scenario. You spend 6 hours thrifting and snag 60 items. That includes drive time, browsing, and checkout, pretty much everything. It takes you 2 minutes per item to photograph, 4 minutes to list, and 2 minutes to ship each item once it sells. At first glance, 6 hours might seem like a lot of time for just 60 items, but think about it. There's more to it than just grabbing items off a shelf. You're driving to multiple thrift stores, scanning shelves, making decisions, and even dealing with checkout lines that make you question the existence of self-checkout. It's not just about quantity, it's about the quality of your finds. For those 60 items, your total time investment looks like this. Here's the breakdown. 6 hours thrifting, 2 hours taking pics, 4 hours listing, and finally 2 hours shipping. When you add it all up, you've spent 14 hours working on those 60 items. Now let's talk money. On average, each of your items sells for, say, $20, and after fees, shipping costs, and all that shit that we hate to pay for, you're left with $10 in profit per item. Multiply that by 60 items, and your total profit is $600. At this point, you're probably thinking, $600 in profit? Con madre, sounds great. Échatelos pa' acá, güey. But wait, there's more, like the infomercial. Let's not forget the most important number, time. To figure out your hourly rate, you divide your total profit by your total time. So 600 divided by 14 hours gives you an hourly rate of approximately $42.86 per hour. Ruminate on that for a second while I ask you for a favor. If you're finding value in this info so far, give this video a like, share this with anyone that needs to see it, and subscribe to the channel with the bell for more content like this. Now that we pause for a second, let's dive deeper into these numbers and how they can vary greatly. The key factors here are efficiency and consistency. For example, let's say you streamline your photo taking process, batch your photos, set up a dedicated space, and reduce your time per item to, say, 1 minute instead of 2. For 60 items, that's 1 hour saved, boosting your hourly rate to around $46 per hour. The same goes for listing. If you use templates or find any other ways to list more efficiently, which I have videos on, link below, you can easily cut your listing time to 2 to 3 minutes per item. Another hour saved right there. And now your hourly rate is climbing towards $50 per hour. Now let's talk shipping. With some smart organization, tools that save time, and efficient packing workflows, you might shave a few seconds off each shipment. It all adds up, baby.
Wait. Are you seriously telling me there are people out there not using templates?
Yep, that's exactly what I'm telling you.
Is that Dr. Dre I hear in the background?
Dr. Dre, what the hell are you talking about, dude?
Shit, because this old way of doing things sounds like 1999. These people need to get to the next episode.
If you're serious about boosting your hourly rate, here's a list of quick tips. Thrifting. Plan your route and hit stores with high turnover. Don't waste time at spots that rarely deliver good finds. Photos. Invest in good lighting and a clean setup. Trust me when I tell you this. Too many shadows, wrinkles in the background, taking pics on the couch, badly cropped photos, dirty ass fingernails in the fucking pics, and similar are costing you sales. Plus, they look like shit and you need to do better. Listing. Use templates and autofill tools when possible. Your time is way too valuable to type out the same shit 60 times over. Shipping. Have a dedicated area, review your process regularly for efficiency, and use good tools. Think long-term. Always invest in yourself and your business. And speaking of good tools, the Reselloupe is a game changer for anyone in the reselling game. Need to spot a tiny flaw? Reselloupe's got you. Want to highlight a unique detail in your photos? Bam! This bitch is your best friend. See the difference? Sell the difference. Made right here in Texas using globally sourced materials. Product link down below. Here's a story about Sarah, a reseller who started out like most of us, winging it. Sarah was making $25 per hour on a good day, but after implementing batch processing for her photos, using listing templates, and organizing her shipping station, she managed to boost her hourly rate to $55 per hour. And the kicker, you want to know what it is? She says she's less stressed and has more time for her family. Efficiency isn't just about money, it's about quality of life. And that's it, everybody. By calculating your time and profit, you can determine your hourly rate. In this example, it's around $42.86 per hour. Not bad for doing what you love, right? But with a few tweaks and tools like the Reselloupe, you can push that number even higher. To continue to support the channel, check out the motivational products in the store below. Grab a Reselloupe to add value to the photos you're already taking, because better photos means better sales, plain and simple. Become a member of the Resolutions Posse for less than gas station coffee to get exclusive content, early access to videos, shoutouts, and more. And a big thank you to our newest members, Ken Moon, Bench-K, Kelly Green, and the Tank Show Rodriguez. Welcome to the Posse. As always, give this video a like, share this with anyone that needs to see it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already so you don't miss awesome videos like this. See you in the next one. Peace. And cheers, everybody. Woohoo! Water, the stuff of life.
Hey, Damien,
What's up, Bruce?
you think you can print me something on that new machine, that 3D printer?
Sure, what do you want?
Well, two things. One, a nice Lamborghini, because I can't afford one.
Okay, what else?
How about a girl?
What do you guys think? Should I try my hand at it or what? Como chingan. Okay. A eso, madre.